Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. And I am your English teacher, Archana Singh. And today we will start Arjuna's Friends of the Forest. Before that, we have already done the previous chapters, and you have also read it, solved it. All the exercises have been done, and I hope you have all completed the exercises also. The exercises also were also given in the exam also. I hope you have completely done in a good way. So without wasting any time, let's start the chapter. So first one, this is a story, basically a story we have to read. This is a type of reading skill. If you will read, your reading skill will be improved. Okay, so follow as I am reading. That Arjuna, the best warrior among the Pandavas, was looking for some peace and quiet. This is a story extract from Mahabharata. Okay, we are reading a story. Okay, that is Arjuna's friends in the forest. When they were in the forest, who were the friends? Okay, there are too many of us in the palace. It's so peaceful here in the forest. I can't be alone and think. If only those mosquitoes would leave me alone. In addition to his 100 Kaurava cousins, he had 4 brothers who were rough and tough. Exactly, we know that Pandavas means 5 brothers they were there, isn't it? I'll break off that branch and use it to drive them away. What Arjuna is thinking? That I'll break the branch of this tree and I'll use it for drive or anything else. But don't break this branch, brother. It supports my nest. Nest where? What did the bird saying? Don't break the branch because it supports my nest. So Arjuna is asking, where is the nest? Oh, there it is. I can see now. It shelters my little three little ones. Don't worry, you and your little ones are safe. I would not dream of hurting you. Thank you. Someday I will return the favor. What did the bird said to Arjuna? That I'll return the favor because you helped me and my children. So I'll also help you one day. Arjuna reached for a branch on another tree. What did Arjuna did? Arjuna reached for a branch on another tree. What happened then? Next, see what happened. Yes, next. But hesitated when he saw a ball of leaves there. I wonder what that is. Ants, big red ants, hundreds of them. Don't break the branch, we beg you, it supports our home. All right, I'll leave you in peace. We will never forget the kindness you have shown us. Arjuna soothed the mosquito bites with cold water from the stream and then went further into the forest to find solitude. Solitude means to find help again. Okay. So what happened? Means it says Arjuna tried so many times to break the branch, but but one by one the person who was on that branch begged him for the help that don't break it. Okay. Then after that Arjuna also thought that I should be very kind enough because they are also requesting me, so I should take their request. Okay. So after that what happened? Let's see next. Many years passed. Kauravas came in power. They sent Arjuna and brothers to live in exile. If we are recognized, our period of exile will increase. So take care, brothers. Period of exile means they were in the forest of foreign years, right? So one day Arjuna found himself alone in a dense part of the forest. Hungry, he was looking for fruits. When suddenly voices, I must hide. He looked around for a hiding place but could not find any. Just then, who? It was the bird whose nest he had spared. I think it wants me to follow. Yes. What did the Arjun recognize? That it was that bird when I spared her for that nest. Okay. But he also thinks that the bird is following him, isn't it? So exile means a long period of time. Okay. They were in the forest for the long period of time. That's why it is known as exile. Okay. So So, up to this, what we have understood in this story, that this is the story from Mahabharata. Arjun's friends in the forest, when they were all in the forest for a long period of 14 years, what did they faced in that forest? Okay, this was about the story. Okay, this is a story. How I have read it, you have to also read it like this. Okay. So I hope you have all understood the story up to this, and rest story we will do in our next class. So by here I'll end my class. So take care all of you. Have a nice day. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay strong. If any issues, you can ask me again and again. Bye students. Take care.